Gruesome Herzog's Horror Movie Review. If you like horror, you're listening to Gruesome Herzog's Horror Movie Review. You are listening to Gruesome Herzog's Horror Movie Review. So sit back and listen. Check out my podcast, Gruesome Herzog's Horror Movie Review.
Watching him. They have been tracking his every move. A map was found showing the locations of the gates of hell, but uncovering the secrets of another world may cost them more than their lives.
Hello everyone, this is Gruesome Herzog's Horror Movie Review. The trailer you heard is Necromentia in 2009. It explores the use of tattooed Ouija board through the lives and perspectives of 4 people. Directed by Pearry Reginald Teo, written by Stephanie Joyce and Pearry Reginald Teo. Stars Leighton Matthews as Morbius, Chad Grimes as Travis, Santiago Craig as Hagen, Zulin Rivera as Elizabeth, Cole Braxton as Little Boy, Zach Coomer as Thomas, Crow Garrett as Connor, Judy Ben Asher as the girlfriend, Frederick Edwards as the bar love interest, John Essinger as Smithson, Sarah Finn as the bar patron, Nathan Ginn as Mr. Skinny, Mira Hall as the bar patron, Stephanie Joyce as the Red Room woman, and Tyane Langard as the bar patron. This movie is very strange. Weird. But it's good. Good acting. Good storyline. Very entertaining. Creepy. Weird. Oh, I said weird again? I mean it in a good way. It's a good movie. Great movie, actually. Check it out. Rent it. Buy it. This is Gruesome Herzog's Horror Movie Review. And I give this movie a 7 out of 10. So check it out. Turn the lights off. Sit with your loved one. This is Gruesome Herzog's Horror Movie Review. And I'm out of here. Check out my new podcast site, Gruesome Herzog Horror Movie Review .blogspot.com. Thanks again. Gruesome Herzog's Horror Movie Review. if you like horror. You're listening to Gruesome Herzog, Horror Movie Review. You are listening to Gruesome Herzog, Horror Movie Review. So sit back and listen. Check out my podcast, Gruesome Herzog, Horror Movie Review.